Hey guys, and welcome to the last tutorial of this Varnam Abheri Ragam. Name Sri Sharade Varade. So I hope you all are practiced that first, second, and third part, because there's a fourth part where I'm gonna teach you the Sahityam. So if you're not thorough with the Swaram part of Pallavi, Anupallavi, and Charanam, you will struggle. So kindly learn that first, and we can try this Sahityam this time. So first, the Arohana and Avarohana of Abheri. Such a beautiful raga, right? Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Such form also you can sing, no problem with that. So the Pallavi, the Sahityam is Sri Sharade Varade. Telugu, okay? Telugu. Sri Sharade Varade. Sagala Vidya Pradaige. Anupallavi Sarasiruha Sanastide Padhalipura Nivasini. Charanam Pangajakshi Pahi Pahi. That's it. When we say the Sahityam, it's only a few. We have got only few Sahityam, but when we sing, there are a lot many agarams, and also we should have breath control. Otherwise, Sahityam will not come out right. Anyway, let's break it. Pallavi starts like this. Shri, which means Gani Sa, okay? Shri, then Sha, Ni Sa Ga Ma Pa Sha, Radhe, Ni Ma Pa, Radhe, Vara Panida Pamma Vara De Gari Sagama De. Only Sahityam phrase by phrase. Shri Sharade Varade. Then the second portion of Pallavi, Sagala Vidya Pradayagi, 3 phrases. Sagala, there, Saka, Pani, Sakala, Pani, Pani, Sanida. Therefore, the Shadja you can give a throat to Gandhar also, no problem. So it will sound like Saka, La, La, Sa, possible. Saka, La, that is Daivata. That Vidya Pamagari Nisagari Vidya Nisagari Dya Pradaike Sagama, I think. So the Sahityam, phrase by phrase, goes like this. Sakala Vidya Pradaike. Anupallavi Sarasiruha Sanastide Sarasi, which is Sani Sa, Sarasi. Then extension. I Ruha, I Pani Sani Dama Pa, I For Daivada, that you should place Ruha. That is Ruha. Then Sa Na Gari Sa Sa Na Ni Dha Pa. Then Sti Gari Sa Ni Dha Pa. Sti Te Ma Pa Ni Ni Te. Te is there, not st. So again, phrase by phrase, the Sahityam. Sarasi Ruha Sa Na Sti De Sthite. Next, Padhalipura Nivasini. Only two phrases there. Pada Sagama Pada Gari Sada Pada Li Pani Sama Pani Li Pura Gama Pani Sa Pura Niva Sarida Pa Niva Sini Magarini Nishadam Sagama Sini. That's it. Phrase by phrase, only the Sahityam. Pada Li Pura Niva Sini. That's Anupallavi. Next, the Charana. Pangajakshi Pahi Pahi. Pangaja Pani Sa. Then extension. Akshi Nisa Gari Sa Nisa Akshi. Then Pahi Nisa Nida Pa Ma Pa Pahi Pa Ma Pahi. Then Ma Hi Pa Pa, not He. Pa Magarini. Up to Nishad it is Pa. Sagama Hi. Like that. Phrase by phrase, let's try that again. Pangaja Akshi Pahi Pahi. This is a Sahityam. But how to phrase this? When we phrase according to the meaning only, it will have some. If we sing it in correct phrasing only, it will have some meaning, right? So let's come from the beginning again. Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charana. I will explain how to do the phrasing. Like I said, the first thing is Shri Sharade Varade. Shri Sharade Varade. Either you can sing that as three phrases, or Shri Sharade one phrase and Varade second phrase. Or if you have got lot many breath holding capacity, you can sing all these three phrases in one breath. No problem. Don't break it. Okay, that's it. So it goes like this. Shri Sharade Varade. That's correct phrasing. Shri Sharade in one breath and Varade in the second breath. Next, Sakala Vidya Pradayige. There also you can either consider like that, like three phrases, Sakala Vidya, one phrase, Pradayige, the second phrase. Or if possible for you, you can sing all the 3 phrases in one breath, no problem. I will be singing Sagala Vidya, break Pradayige. Sakala Vidya Pradayike. Like that. Then Anupallavi, Sarasi Ruha Sanastide. There are also only 2 phrases. Sarasi Ruha 1 phrase, Sanastide the 2nd. Okay. Sarasi Ruha Sanastide. Okay. Then next, Padhalipura Nivasini, 2 phrases. Padalipura Nivasini. Like that. The last one, the Charanam. 3 phrases. Pangajakshi, Pahi, Pahi. Pangajakshi, 1 phrase, Pahi, 1 phrase, Pahi, 2nd phrase. So there you can take breath by considering that as 3 phrases. But remember, Pangajakshi is having an extension. Don't break there. Pangajakshi, Pahi, Pahi. This is the phrase. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. Sri Sharade, Varade in the Raga Abheri. Hope this one was really a beneficial one for all of you who are watching my channel. And yeah, like always, if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments. I'll be replying to that as soon as possible. By the way, we'll see you in the next tutorial. I have got a bunch of nice lessons coming up. Okay then, see you. Bye bye.